And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case. Inside of this box, I like the little hologram, is a Casekoo iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So you can see this one has the Magicstand, a little bit of information here, and some stickers. But this phone case is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It'll cut out for your volume rockers. Has a nice rubbery feel on the side with a frosted back, and then a cutout for your camera, power button, charging port, and speakers. And then this is the Magicstand. So this just folds right out, has a little Casekoo logo there, and you can either set your iPhone up like this or like this, or use it as a ring to hold your phone and put it away when you don't need it. And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This color is blue. Inside of here is a nice little hologram that it has there. This is the blue Kooshock Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So you can see on the back here, you have a frosted back that you can see through, but not completely. Nice blue ring here on the Magicstand with the Casekoo logo, which if you pop this out, you can set your phone like this or like this. Use it to help hold your phone, or of course push it out of the way when you don't need it. You have a nice cutout for your cameras here, cutout for your power, cutout for your volume rockers, cutout for your speakers and charging port. And other than that, a nice blue tint all the way around with this nice blue Casekoo Kooshock Magicstand case. You also get a little pamphlet telling you about your Magicstand, as well as some cool Casekoo stickers. And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This one is gray in color. Inside of the box is a nice little hologram that it has there. So this is the gray Kooshock Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. You can see the back has a frosted back here, so like you can see through it, but not completely. Nice cutout for your cameras, little Casekoo logo, and then this is your Magicstand. So it just pulls right out and set your phone like this or like this. Use it to help hold your phone, and of course push it out of the way when you don't need it. Love the look of this on the back. Now you do have this gray color all the way around the sides of your case. Cut out for your charging port and speaker grill, cut out for your volume rockers, cut out for your power button, and a little Casekoo logo there. Other than that though, that is the Kooshock Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case in gray. You also get a little pamphlet telling you about your Magicstand, as well as some cool stickers from Casekoo. And that'll do it for this Kooshock iPhone 15 Pro Max Magicstand case from Casekoo. Thanks again to Casekoo for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.